What's an LMS? Everything you always wanted to know about learning management system. Learning, because we used to deliver education courses. Management, because it helped us organize and access these courses. System, because an LMS is a computer system. It is a software program that helps us create, manage, and deliver e-learning courses, just like Gmail help you send emails. Who uses an LMS? Businesses of all sizes, various organizations, government agencies and local government, schools, universities and colleges, and online e-learning. Does your school has a learning management system website? Yes. St. Benilde has a school learning management system website. It is benilde-lms.com. There are two ways on how to access our LMS: using web browser and using mobile apps. On web browser, type benilde-lms.com and you will be routed into a website. Log in. Use your username and your password. You may also log into our website as a guest. And on the website, you can see the home page and calendar of activities. You can see site announcements and online courses offered. Using mobile apps, open an app store and search for Moodle. Install it in your mobile apps. After installing, you may enter the Moodle site name benilde-lms.com so that you may be able to access the official school Moodle apps. Enter username and password. Access your subject courses and some site announcements. For any questions, just email to the following. Thank you so much.